How can divorce mediation fairly divide complex assets? Imagine trying to split a puzzle where some pieces are hidden, some are worth more than others, and a few are even intertwined. That's what dividing complex assets in divorce can feel like. But there's a way to do it that's fair and transparent. Divorce mediation involves both spouses working together with a neutral third person called a mediator. The goal is to find solutions that work for everyone, especially when assets are complicated. These assets might include a business, investment accounts, property, retirement plans, or inherited property. The first step in the process is full financial disclosure. Both spouses need to share all their financial information honestly. This means providing bank statements, property deeds, business records, and details about retirement accounts. If someone hides assets, it can cause problems later and might even lead to legal trouble. Transparency is key to fairness. Next, the assets are sorted into two categories: marital property and separate property. Marital property includes assets acquired during the marriage, like a house bought together or joint savings. Separate property might be things owned before marriage or inherited assets. Sometimes, separate property can become mixed with marital assets, like if inheritance money is deposited into a joint account. When that happens, tracing where the money came from helps decide how it should be divided. Valuing complex assets is often the trickiest part. For a business, a professional business appraiser might be needed. Real estate might requiring a licensed appraiser. Investment accounts could need a financial analyst's opinion. Getting accurate values is essential because it affects how much each person gets. If the valuation is off, the division might not be fair. Once everything is valued and categorized, the spouses can negotiate how to split the assets. This is where the flexibility of mediation shines. For example, one spouse might keep the family home, while the other takes a larger share of retirement funds. Or one might take over a business in exchange for other assets. The mediator helps guide these discussions, making sure both sides are heard and that the solutions are fair. When an agreement is reached, it's written down as a settlement. Both spouses should review this with their lawyers to ensure it protects their rights. After that, the agreement is submitted to the court for approval. The court reviews it to confirm it's fair and meets legal standards before making it official. Divorce mediation is especially helpful for dividing complex assets because it offers more control, privacy, and flexibility than going to court. It can also save time and money. But it works best when both spouses are willing to cooperate and communicate honestly. If there's hidden assets or a big power imbalance, mediation might not be the best choice. In the end, fair division of complex assets through mediation depends on full disclosure, accurate valuation, and open negotiations. It gives both spouses a voice and the chance to create a solution that fits their unique situation. This approach aligns with family law principles, which focus on fairness and transparency to help everyone move forward.